Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and yesterday I thought I had the great good fortune to make a video recording of doing this painting, and when I went to find the recording it was not there. But I do love the shapes and the colors. So this 12 by 24 inch canvas is going to get removed and replaced by this 15 by 30 inch canvas, which is going to be a ball, I'm pretty sure, and I'm going to just go for it. We're going to smear some stuff. I'm going to start by putting down some Additives white metallic, and I need a base layer. Smears are basically usually on a layer of wet paint, and it's usually kind of heavy, but in this case I like to smear over puddles, so that's my gig. And I have purple, dioxazine purple cell activator with some Aussie Floetrol in it. Not a lot, because I haven't filled up a bottle yet. I don't have that much Aussie Floetrol. But I want to use all the colors I used yesterday and then some. And I'm going to take that painting, forgive me for a moment, and put it where I can see it even if you can't, so I can be inspired. And I'm going to use my Distilled Americana 24 karat gold. And I'm going to add some more after, so this is going to be the start. And this time I'm going to use some of my Distilled Americana 24 karat gold with orange in it, which I just added a little bit of copper to, and it's not very dark, but it's okay. And I'm going to do what I did yesterday and add some copper. I'm kind of saving the puddles to add the bright colors, the blues to. I'm going to try and keep myself from getting nervous, because this is just supposed to be fun. This is something I didn't use yesterday. This is an Arteza silver, which is just a variation on that. That was a black metallic from Anita's, I didn't say. And the copper is Distilled Americana 24, excuse me, I'm so used to saying that. It's Deco Art metallic. So this is my Folk Art color shifting turquoise, which I will be adding other turquoises to, including one I thought I wasn't going to add, and I am. A couple more, in fact. All the turquoises I can manage. That's not a color shifting turquoise, but it does have some iridescent pearl fine from Golden in it. I just like the idea of putting all the blue shades together, because they're going to get smeared anyway. I don't think I need more than that. Yesterday I used some Anita's blue, pale blue, Anita's white metallic that has Venetian blue in it. And it's kind of an odd thing in these colors, but it worked. So I think I'm going to try it again. And I'm going to put more pink in this time. As weird as that sounds, I think it worked and I liked it. So I have electric blue, which is a pearl or a metallic, and it is from Arteza. And even though I didn't put any color down there, the purple will still activate some cells, even if I don't have a puddle underneath. And I really want this blue to be the dominant color in here. We'll see if I can make that happen. I have still got a little tiny bit of Mysterious. So if you like this color, you might want to check out Gail Burston's video on how to make Mysterious, because it's not sold anymore. What am I missing? I'm missing the Purple Flash from Folk Art. I'm missing something else. Oh, I'm missing the Venetian blue. Duh. I was kind of worried it might be too many colors, but as long as they're in a similar family, I think it's going to work. We'll find out, I guess. And I'll add more gold afterwards if I need to. I want to put a little Prussian blue in, just because it's definitely its own cell maker. And adding a little bit of dark adds some drama. Much needed, probably. And I'm still going to add the gold. And I might be adding more of this. Yes, that just adds a pop of color that I love. And since I didn't add that much Anita's white metallic, and it does act sort of like a negative space, I don't know if I need the gold yet or not, or if I need some more copper. There's a little more copper. Okay, so it's that here goes nothing moment. Oh, you know what? I didn't put in any of my favorite Artist Loft cobalt blue, which is naturally turquoise metallic. And it's an integral part of this composition, to my mind anyway. And I like it just like it is. Let's stop now and call it all good and all done. Oh boy. Now I'm nervous. It's one of the reasons I get nervous is because I like what I have before I do what I do. So it's really not, I don't need any of this because I'm going to be using the purple, but just in case, that is the Artist Loft Amethyst. I guess I'm just enjoying the picture right now. And I'm going to leave that gold where I can find it. I don't think I need the copper. I am going to grab one of my pie servers, or you know what I really want to use? I really want to use my made up acetate tool. I have some smaller ones also, but I'm going to start with that. Let it spread itself all the way around. The Aussie Floetrol can be the American Floetrol can be substituted for the Aussie Floetrol if you put Minwax pre-stained wood conditioner in, and I usually include the recipe underneath the video. I hope I have enough gold. I'm not sure I ever have enough gold. So let's just add the gold. Let my puddle go off. I'm going to need a scrape dish, I can tell now. I'm liking all that. Scrape off that. Let's try the pie server. I really wanted to put some black in there. I have some Aussie black. I'm going to try it. Boy, that's beautiful. So far, so good anyway. I want to spin this, but I don't have enough room in the area that I'm attempting to work. So I'll spin it a little bit. And then scrape. And I can always put my scrapings back in the dish. I don't think I mind the black. Makes me want to play with the white. Why not play with everything? Truly. Let's go for something. I want all that off of there. I've got a Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula, and I have not used it in this manner yet, but I don't think it's a bad idea. Because I like to use up my paint, and I'm going to put that right next to the edge and let it fall right over. Just because I like to have things go over the edge. Back to the issue at hand, and I think the purple is great, but I'm going to go for my little tool. It's really important with these small tools that you have enough paint underneath the area that you're swiping. I do use GAC 800 by Golden. I'm hoping I can get some more, even though people have told me it's getting kind of scarce, because I rely on that to keep my paint from cracking when it's heavy. And it's heavy. It's definitely heavy. I do like using these little tools, and I will put the link for the video how I made these tools underneath this video. I'm just going to put some purple in there. So far so good. Not done by a long shot, I don't think. Still thinking about some more white. Actually, I see this puddle in here that's calling me, and I have a little tiny tool. Add a little spiral. I don't think that's going to hurt anything. I don't think any spirals are going to hurt anything, actually. Scrape that off. Come back and use some purple. Which basically, most of the cell activator, in my opinion, just sort of melts in and melds. And you can't use it as a color. At least I can't seem to use it as a color. And the nice thing about having a scraped dish of colors is that I could always, if I wanted to fill in an area, I could always use that dish of colors. I am stealing a little paint. When the paint looks thin, I like to add some. So I might as well just stop being a chicken and get on with this other end. And I might want to pull things out. I see that thing that does not belong. And it was a thing. Okay, so I think I'm going to do another pass with my make-believe hamburger flipper. I wanted to go a lot outside the lines. And I think I'm going to grab some white cell activator again. And add a few areas. Now I want some more of this. And that does happen to me. I decide that I want something else after I put my colors down. So add colors at will. And create new and interesting areas. I'm going to do something similar to what I did yesterday. Give myself a little, where's that blue gone? I'll have the electric glue. Oh, it's hiding behind my torch. I'm loving these colors. Scrape off my tool. Choose the black. Because I'm thinking that'll make the white pop. I mean the purple cup pop. Just going to steal enough paint to go over the edge. And I'm being called to the turquoise. Where? Lost my momentum for a second. Yeah, that's okay. I think I'm just taking my time this time because I'm really kind of enjoying the process. I'll let that Venetian blue go right over the edge. And then smooth it out a little bit. I know Anna's cringing because I'm putting a little tiny dab of hot orchid in there. What color will it be? I think it will be the white. And I didn't clean the paint off. I'm going to take that off though. It's time to do this end, and I've been chicken. So we're down to the wire, the last 2 minutes, because it shouldn't take me forever. I'm just going to go for it. I'm going to go for it with the white. And then after that, if I want to add some purple, I'll do that. Oh, I'm so nervous. I don't want to ruin this. Oh, I like that. I definitely want the purple for the next pass. I think I'm going to grab a little more purple. I don't know if I really needed to take off that excess. I'm almost done. I'm so close. So you guys should check out the end screen video, which is an exhibition video most generally, and it will share with you what the prizes are for anybody who contributes to the support of the studio through PayPal or Patreon at the beginning of that video. Get too nervous, you ruin things, and I don't want to ruin anything. So I'm going to take my black and go right in there. I got 1 minute left to tell you there's all kinds of stuff under Show More under the video, including my email address. The link tree will show you all kinds of stuff. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links. My Facebook groups are Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for students, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes, and more for shoppingpixels.com and Fine Art America. This is pretty awesome, and I think there's probably a few more tendrils that I'm contemplating. And I don't think that's going to hurt anything. And now we've got a dot. And I think I'm going to leave it. I've got drips over my side. I'll be having to take care of a few things with my my edge covering tool. I love you guys. Take care of each other.